In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the page size in Microsoft Word. This process is quite straightforward, but to ensure precision, let's walk through each step together. Begin by opening the Microsoft Word document you wish to adjust. With your document open, direct your attention to the ribbon, which is situated at the top of the Word window. You'll want to locate the Layout tab within this ribbon. Once you've clicked on it, you'll notice various options appear that allow you to customize your document's layout. Now, within the Layout tab, focus on the Page Setup group. This is where you will find the Size button. Clicking on the Size button will open a drop-down menu displaying several standard paper sizes such as letter, A4, legal, and more. With a simple click on your preferred paper size from this list, the entire document will automatically reformat to accommodate the dimensions of the new page size you've chosen. It's a quick and seamless way to meet most of your needs with just a few clicks. However, there are instances where you might not find the size you require among these standard options. Perhaps you're working on a project that demands a unique dimension, such as a printing job tailored to fit a 5 by 7 inch card. In such cases, you have the option to set a custom page size. To do this, go back to that familiar size button in the Layout tab and select the More Paper Sizes option located right at the bottom of the drop-down menu. This will open up the Page Setup dialog box, which is an essential tool for making more detailed adjustments. Within the Page Setup dialog box, navigate to the Paper tab. Here you'll find what you're looking for, the fields labeled width and height. These allow you to manually input the specific dimensions you need, accommodating anything from personal stationery to project-specific templates. Once you've entered your custom size, simply click OK to apply these changes. Your document will remodel itself to fit the new custom page size you've set, ensuring that your layout appears exactly as you intend. This simple process opens up a range of possibilities for customizing your documents to meet your specific requirements, be it for business, academia, or personal projects. Whether you're working within standard dimensions or creating a custom masterpiece, Microsoft Word offers the flexibility you need to ensure your work is formatted perfectly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you maneuver through page size adjustments with ease in your future projects.